Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha at createmyown.economy.com. So let me tell you guys something. Amazon, okay, Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world right now, okay? Amazon is killing the world, okay? All of the jobs and these corporations literally have to now reinvent themselves, okay, because of Amazon. So this is my back office. I'm an Amazon seller. Absolutely love this business. I've been able to generate over 6 figures in this business. It is an amazing business. Literally, Amazon treat me right. I treat Amazon right, okay? So a customer made an order in my store on Tuesday, right? So I'm shipping it to them now. So I just want to show you some profits with it. So I do Amazon FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. So what I do is I go to, let me show you guys my inventory right here real quick. So what I do is I have a wholesaler. Okay, I have a wholesaler. All right. And what my wholesaler does is he puts items in my store, right? So these are like clothes that I sell basically on Amazon. So these are in my Amazon store, right now. So these are the things that, I'm selling for, wholesale. And then I also do the drop shipping. Okay. I also do the drop shipping. So these are clothes that I actually send, to Amazon. These are the things that I actually send in, to Amazon. All right. And I send about $5,000 worth of this, maybe $5,000 to $10,000 worth of this. And, I sell this. So Amazon, right, I spend money to now ship it to Amazon. Amazon sells it for me. And only thing I do is now make money. Right. So I already put the upfront money and now Amazon literally sells it for me and just gives me the money. On the other side, which is the drop shipping, which is this right here, where I have to fulfill the order myself or I hire, my kids to do it for me. But either way, I love both of them, okay, because I make money in both of them, right? So with drop shipping, you don't necessarily have to have items, in your basement or holding items, right? All I'm doing now is listing on Amazon for retail and I'm shipping it to them for wholesale from a wholesale site. Okay. So this is, some people may say, oh, isn't drop shipping illegal? Yeah, if you're trying to drop ship from, other brand name stores. But if you're drop shipping from a wholesale site, then you're getting it for wholesale. Okay. So I do both. It's great. My account never got shut down. I show people how to set up Amazon accounts. I show people how to start drop shipping. I show people how to start using fulfillment by Amazon. If you're the type of person that shops online, you need to learn how to sell, okay, online. Okay, you need some type of e-commerce where you can bring in an extra 5,000-10,000 a month. Okay, now some of those numbers may have went over some people's head, but that is the real deal. That really happens. Okay, that really happens. You're not sponsoring anyone. This is not MLM. This is not a traditional business. This is not a brick and mortar business. It's a click and order business. Literally, you click and people buy and you make money. So my customer orders something in my store. So I had sometimes, higher ticket stuff. In my store. So they bought something for this amount. Okay. And now I'm going to ship it to them for this amount. Okay. I'm going to ship it to them. Actually, they bought 2 of them. Right. So I'm going to ship it to them for this amount. So I'm going to show you guys what the profits are. Okay. Amazon, her 4th quarter is around the doggone corner. If you guys sleep on this shit, you're going to miss a whole lot of money. Okay, I'm going to tell you that right now. People that's getting started right now will make money. Okay, 176. Okay. Remember, Amazon charges fees. Okay, Amazon got their own fees, of course. That's how Amazon makes 1.6 trillion. 6 million a second. They charge their fees, okay? So now this is what it is, $49, $149, okay? So Amazon takes their fees. Yes, Amazon charges fees. So let me see how much I'm shipping it for. Okay, so let's minus 48.66. Okay, now we're gonna minus 48.66. So these are the numbers. This is the shit we should have learned in school. Okay, so this is my profit, $100. It's $100 profit. It takes me 2 minutes, not even, probably 1 minute to ship this. I make $100 in a minute. Okay, it's crazy. All right, you know, I got students that made over 50,000. I got students that made over 2,400. Dominique, she just hit me up the other day. She made about 2,400. Another student, she made 1,000. Another one of my students made her first sale for $100. I'm telling you guys, it's all about a skill set. What would you pay to learn a new skill? This is worth thousands of dollars to know how to become an Amazon seller. Okay, my course is $497. Okay, and then I have a mastermind group that you could be able to get into if you are more serious. But Amazon is it, friends. Amazon e-commerce. Christmas is around the corner. People going to be buying their kids a bunch of bullshit left and right, and I'm just going to get paid. I'm not buying nobody nothing for Christmas. I'm lying. I will be buying people something for Christmas. It's going to be books. Okay, I'm going to order some books on Amazon. I'm going to get cash back too. Let me show you my cash back store. And put the link for the cash back store. Here goes my cash back store. Okay, I get cash back. Okay, I get cash back. So you can see just this month I did, this is the shopping that I did. Okay, and this is the cash back that I've gotten. Okay, that's just this month. Okay, alone. This is August. All right, so I'll put the link so you can download the free cashback app. And once you download it to your phone or to your computer, every time you shop, you just go through the app so you can get cash back. So this is how much I got so far, right? $95. And then when I refer people, I get $25. So, you know, this is amazing, guys. Okay, like I'm making $100 plus I'm going to make another, you know, maybe $10. So literally $110 in profit, okay, that I'm making, you know, from, you know, me drop shipping. Now, as far as my FBA, if I spend $5,000, you know, and it all sells, then I can make 10 grand. You know, if I spend $2,000 and it all sells, I can make 5 grand. So it's totally different. I like to start people with drop shipping so you can know what you're doing first, because with FBA, I mean, it's more advanced, okay? You got to know what you're doing first with drop shipping and handling customers, and handling customer service, and understanding the profits, understanding the items, understanding this thing. Then when you go to FBA, now it gives you more freedom where you're like, okay, well, now I can put up $5,000 and get $10,000 or $20,000 worth of stuff. Now, most people don't have 5,000 right away, but they may have 500. You may have 1,000 to get started, to learn a new skill. Then you can always level up, okay? So go to createmyownEconomy.com, okay? At the end of the day, friends, fourth quarter's around the corner. You fuck around with this thing if you want to. I'm still going to make money. Whether you keep shopping, you're going to keep shopping, I'm going to keep making money. It don't make me no difference. But this is an opportunity. I always tell people, don't look for jobs, look for opportunities to create jobs. Look for opportunities to win. Look for opportunities to go to the next level. Look for opportunities, friends, to help you build your wealth. Okay, and Amazon can do it, friends. Amazon stock right now is $1,800. I remember when it was $60. Okay, so cash back and Amazon, friends. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. So it's time to invest in yourself, level up, and, you know, let's get rich. CreateMyOwnEconomy.com.